Hi! In this video, I'll take you with me to the most beautiful temple here in Korea. Kung merong love locks sa Namsan Tower, merong wish leaf paper here. Hi! In this video, we'll be going to Haedong Yonggungsa. There are different ways you can go to the temple. So, from the Haeundae beach, you can take the taxi or you can take the bus. So, the taxi usually costs around 10,000 won to 10 to 15,000 won. And then, from the bus, you usual 2,000, 1,000 won, 2,001, 2,500, 1,500 won. And then, I'll be doing both. So, on the way up to the temple, I'll be taking the taxi. And then, on the way back to the hotel, I'll be taking the bus. So, I'm now here. This is the entrance to the temple. There's a taxi stand. So, dito ako binaba. So here you have some stalls and street food if you get hungry. So I paid around 11,000 won for the taxi trip. If I thought na mabilis na yung mga Seoul taxi drivers, mas mabilis yung mga Busan drivers. Grabe, kumapit talaga ako. Parang yung soul ko lalabas na sa katawan ko sa bilis. Now we're entering the gate. So opening hours is 4:30 a.m. to 6:50 or 7. Closing at 19:20. Now we're greeted here by statues. The 12 zodiac signs pala to. I mean the Chinese zodiac. So you have here the rat, the cow, the tiger, the rabbit, the dragon. Oh, nice. This is on the right side of the path. What I saw the locals are doing are they're putting coins here and they're praying to the stones. Time right now is around 9:30. Temperature is 4 degrees Celsius but very windy. What I read is you should come here if on a weekend before 10 a.m. because the group tours come around 10 a.m. if you want less people or less crowd. They say that the Haedong Yonggungsa is the most beautiful temple in Korea. So, yun. Some groups are already here. Kaya yun, dami na nila. This is the traffic safety prayer pagoda if you want to pray for safety of your travels. So behind the pagoda for the safe travels, you can go here. hindi pantay yung lakaran ha. So if you have mobility issues or you have knee conditions, orthopedic, you have to take note of this. So baka sumakit yung paa nyo. Mga steps ba to? Alam ko maraming steps to. Sobrang lamig, grabe. Ay, ito yata kailangan ko to. Statue of Buddha for Academic Achievements. Diba? Para sa fellowship ko here. And when you go here, oh my God, this is so amazing. Punta muna tayo dito. Sayang naman. East Sea of Korea. Okay, parang trail. Oh, ganda. So pretty. And there are gold leaves here hanging with notes, wishes siguro. Hindi ko mabasa kasi in Korean. Wish paper, 5,000 won. Parang love locks pero wish paper siya here. Kung merong love locks sa Namsan Tower, merong wish leaf paper here. Well, at least mas magaan siya. Hindi siya kasing bigat ng love locks. Matirik to. Kailangan mong humawak. Baka mahulog ka. Nakahawak ako kasi mayroon akong dalang camera. At lampa ako. Wala sinabi yung Yonggungsa. Hindi, pero maganda naman din doon. Kasi ano rin yung landscape. Pero here, ang ganda talaga. Akit pa ba ako? Parang maganda yung view dun eh. Pero feel ko mahuhulog ako. Sorry, tala lang ako ni Ajuma tsaka ni Ajusi. May mga umaakyat. Buwis buhay. Alamig. Mga seagulls here. Uy, ang cute oh, yung seagulls na yun. May color yellow. Ang ganda dito, pero ang lamig, grabe. Buti na lang, hindi ko na naiwan yung bini ko, ang lamig, grabe. So ito, naka-gloves na ako, tumatago sa loob yung lamig. When you go here, goes very comfortable clothes and shoes definitely because there's lots of stairs and climbing. And if it is raining, I don't recommend you go here because it can get slippery. So, kaya natin umakyat here. Daming hagdan. Meron dito. Ito pala yung wishing well. Bato tayo? Wish, wish. now I'm walking on the bridge towards the temple. Nakasang hangin. See what I told you, it's the most beautiful temple in Korea. Diba? Kandila din. Ano meron dito? Oh, roof tiles. Pwede ka magsulat. Two pigs. Golden pigs. Akit ba ako doon? Kaya? Gaano mo kataas yun? Magdasal muna ako. Natuwa masyado sa scenery. Galing na tayo dito. There's a restaurant here also, and there's a breathtaking view on the windows of the restaurant. Yung daan pala pababa. Baba tayo kasi kaya pa naman natin nangyari sa loob. There are like 19 spots here in the temple, so just take a screenshot because I cannot stand here forever. Figurines there. Malapit na maubos ang aking battery dahil malamig. Hindi ko magamit yung tripod kasi sa sobrang lakas ng hangin natutumba niya yung tripod ko. So anyways, there's an ongoing mass inside. So hindi na ako papasok doon to pay respects, no? So bastos naman yun kapag nag-film tayo sa loob. Din siyang dying Buddha. Similar to the one in Thailand. Siyempre ba sa loob. Mas malaki yung nasa live. Here. Oh, matarik din to. Grabe. Buddhist goddess of mercy. This way up. So, sa right side tayo. Gusto ko may hawak kasi natatakot ako matapa. Hindi to pwede pa sa mga senior citizen. Senior citizen ng Pilipinas kasi iba yung senior citizen dito sa Korea. Sanay. I hate stairs. Ang taas pa ng steps. So, na wish candle. 5,000 muna. Gutom na ako. statues in monks here. Naglagay na ako ng sunglass para sa picture hindi maliit yung mata ko. Okay, bababa na naman tayo at syempre hahawak tayo dahil lampa tayo at ayoko magkaroon ng injury dito. Malayo sa Seoul. Ito yung pinakamahirap akyatin. Kaya kung maano kayo, may problem sa paa, you have orthopedic conditions, heart conditions, I suggest you don't go up this part of the temple. This is the hardest climb up so far, unless mayroon pa tayo madaanan na harder. Ay, this is really scary when it's raining, when the floor is wet. So if it's going to rain on the weather forecast, I'm suggesting that you move your trip here on another day. Grabe, matagik. Paano sila nakakababa nang hindi sila natatakot? Ako natatakot. Liit ng steps eh. Isang tataas pa. Mag-hiking shoes kayo dito. Kaya meron doon sa tingin ko yun na yun. Ano kaya meron dun sa restaurant? Tingnan natin kung ano mabili dun. Total malamig din naman eh. Parang nagugutom na rin ako. Sobrang ganda. Jujubeti. This is 11,000 won. And I got some handmade tofu chips, which is 5,000 won. Hi, so now I switched to my phone cam because my vlogging cam's battery ran out already. So I just walked down the 10-minute walk probably from the temple down to the bus stop. So for me, I think when you're going to go up and you have like a knee or some orthopedic conditions, it's a steep climb. So maybe taxi would be better when going up. Pero going down, since hindi naman na siya ganun kahirap, so I think it's okay to go down and ride the bus. And that's the tour of the temple. Hope you like this video. Please give this video a thumbs up and please subscribe to this channel. Bye bye.